Have you ever seen sewage overflowing on a residential road? It's not just about bad smell or an ugly sight. It can become an environmental violation. And National Green Tribunal Code, that is NGT, has once again made this clear. Let's understand this case in simple language. The case concerns Greenwood City Villa, Meerut, and a dispute involving sewage management and other environmental issues. The NGT had earlier passed an order on 25th of March 2025 directing project proponent to construct and operate sewage treatment plant within 6 months. NGT also directed environmental compensation of rupees 10 crore. But the issue did not end there. Now comes the question, what happened next? The residents reported that there was sewage overflowing at some locations. There were also complaints about drainage and solid waste management. A commissioner appointed by tribunal later reported that there was sewage overflow and stagnant water at some places. So NGT has to look back again into this matter. The NGT code had directed the payment of rupees 10 crore as environmental compensation. The UP Pollution Control Board had taken necessary steps for recovery and recovery certificate was issued. But the important point is, environmental compensation is not simply a penalty. The earlier NGT order also directed that money recovered from compensation should be used for remediation or regeneration of the damaged environment. The latest order says that environmental remediation plan prepared by Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board must be implemented. A new STP of 0.9 MLD capacity using MBBR technology is proposed under remediation plan. The tribunal has also directed to construct all other facilities related to STP. If rupees 10 crore compensation is recovered, the amount is to be used for STP. And if 10 crore compensation is not recovered, project proponent has to construct and operate STP. The tribunal gave 3 important directions. 1. Recover rupees 10 crore environmental compensation. 2. Implement environmental remediation plan and ensure STP is operational. And the third one is Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board must give the details about how they treat sewage in common STP and where the treated water is discharged. This case gives us a very simple message. Sewage cannot be simply allowed to overflow or remain untreated. The residential project must have system for drainage, wastewater management, sewage treatment, and safe disposal of treated wastewater. And when environmental damage occurs, remediation and environmental compensation must follow. The next hearing for this matter is scheduled on 24th of August 2026. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.